I just want to thank all the devotees and the community to help the HTCC management to build this temple. This temple actually started in early 70s with a few families, I think maybe 6 or 7 families, they started the temple. As you know, जब कोई आदमी झंडा लेकर चलता है तो कारवां बन जाता है. So that's why it happened here. So we have now about, I think, thousands of families, Indian community living here in this area, and we see the results of the dedication, the devotion, and the donations that they gave, and we see a real authentic temple in the Hindu area of this Seattle Bothell area. Now, going to the construction of this temple, we started this cultural hall in early 2002, and after that, in 10-12 years of continued help from the community, the management of this temple made this Vaikuntha Hall, and it was inaugurated 2 years ago. And still it is under construction. We have Garbhgrahas of Radha Krishna, Ram Parivar, and Balaji. 2 Garbhgrahas are at this time functioning.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अमूल्य दास है. Actually, I am from Orissa, state of Orissa, from India, and I have been involved with this temple for last 10-12 years. I was in the board and also in executive committee. I'm the cultural lead here in this temple. I organize a lot of cultural events, the main events through the year. We have been doing this for last 10-12 years, and I'm part of this and I'm proud of it. This time we have a 3-day celebration. We started on Friday with our vendors and kids program and all cultural program. It continues for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and we end with last day, which is Ratha Jatra, Sri Jagannath Ji Ratha Jatra, which is very famous in Puri and all around the world. I would have my friend Sanjay will talk about Jagannath Puri Ratha Jatra festival. Today we are celebrating that. We have people from all around the country, I mean all around the parts of world, it's here celebrating. And the significance of Jagannath Ratha Yatra is Jagannath comes out of the temple to give a darshan to all the people who cannot go to the temple and give darshan.
Jai Jagannath. Ratha Yatra festival is a very unique festival. In the eastern coast of India, in the state of Puri, there is Puri Dham. Puri Dham is one of the 4 dhams in India, established by Shankaracharya. Long before Shankaracharya came there, the Puri Dham is presided by Lord Jagannath. On this auspicious day, which is celebrated on the Dvitiya Tithi of Ashadh Masha Shukla Paksha, in this day, Lord Jagannath, along with his brother Balabhadra and sister Devi Subhadra, they all come out of the temple. This is so unique. In every other festival, devotees come to the temple to see the God. On this festival, God himself comes out of the temple with family to see the devotees. He is so close to the devotee, he gets one with the devotees, he dances, celebrates with the devotees on this particular festival. This festival, the main significance is the Patita Pavana, means the people who are downtrodden, people who are outcasted, people who do not have the privilege to come to the temple. Lord Jagannath transcends all that, comes out of the temple and meets with the Bhakta. So that's why Ratha Yatra, Jagannath Ratha Yatra, Jagannath means universal Lord or Lord of the universe. What means that he transcends religion, transcends any beliefs. And therefore, despite the caste, creed, followers of religion, everybody comes and joins the Ratha Yatra celebration to make it a success. And that's why it is also called Patita Pavana Jatra, also called Samanvaya Jatra. Means it's a Jatra of association. Everybody who believes in Lord Jagannath, who believes in humanity, who believes in association, comes here together with the community and they celebrate it.
My name is Raj Gupta and I am one of the founding member of this temple, and right now I'm the board member, at the same time I'm the chairman of the ethics committee. Now we have a major project going on in this temple. Today we are celebrating Jagannath Yatra, which is a very auspicious day, and in India it is celebrated for a long time. At the same time, we are pleased to announce that the 3 days long Yachna events is taking place in coordination with Seattle Rudram Center Group. You and your families are all invited to take part in the significant 3-day Vedic ritual, and this is the first time we are doing in the Northwest. So please join us in building this temple of the temple, and we need your support. Thank you.
I'm Mohan. I'm a volunteer at the Hindu Temple and Cultural Center here in Bothell, Washington. The Hindu community, as well as the Indian community in general, has grown quite large in the Northwest region, especially in the Greater Seattle area. It's a great opportunity for us. Our goal and our vision is to impart a little bit of the culture that we come from, the Hindu culture, not only for the senior adults, not only to have spirituality among to expose or to fulfill the needs of the Hindu community here, but also to impart some amount of cultural feeling to our kids, and to grow our children with a little bit of Hinduism, little bit of knowledge about where they're coming from. That would be that is the greatest contribution that we're making to the next generation.